Governor had to say today. Olivia?
Good evening, guys. This is a big move for the state in letting local leaders have more say over these COVID restrictions. Now, in short, instead of really focusing on how many people per day are contracting the virus, the shift is more going to focus on the severe impacts of COVID-19, like hospitalizations.
Rhode Island officials announcing on Friday it will adopt the CDC's updated and more relaxed guidance for COVID-19 as the state transitions to treating coronavirus as an endemic. Instead of just focusing on how many people have COVID, it will focus on the more severe impacts of the virus, like how many people in a community are hospitalized and the strains on the healthcare system on a low, medium, or high risk threshold.
Under the CDC's new model, Rhode Island is identified as low community level. This is very good news.
The CDC's new guidance will also relax indoor masking mandates, even after Rhode Island expired the indoor masking or proof of vaccination order back in mid-February. Dr. Philip Chan with the Department of Health says those who are not vaccinated or are in at-risk groups should still take precautions.
With this new approach, we are providing you with the information and the recommendations about your risk level and are equipping you to make the best decision for yourself, for your family, and for others around you.
Also new, the state updating recommendations beginning March 14th for child care settings, aiming to keep both children and staff members in the facility. The health department now recommending child care programs use the test to stay approach when the state is at a high level of transmission and monitor to stay when at low or medium levels.
The children and the staff that otherwise would need to quarantine, that they can stay attending the daycare as long as they screen for symptoms for 5 days post-exposure, and then on day 5, they test.
And since the state's Omicron surge in mid-January, daily COVID cases in Rhode Island have dropped nearly 97%. Now, Governor McKee making it a point today to say that while these restrictions are easing up and cases are dropping, he's not afraid to bring back a mask mandate if it is needed. For now, we're live in Providence. Olivia DeRocha, ABC 6 News.